Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN in the description below to stay safe online. Let's talk about Carrd, the super lightweight website builder that's exploded in popularity for landing pages, portfolios, as one-page sites. Carrd, it's all about simplicity. You can build a clean, mobile-friendly site in minutes. No coding needed. Just pick a template, drop in your content, tweak the layout, and hit publish. It's fast, intuitive, and runs entirely in your browser. Now, where it really shines is minimalism. Unlike all other website builders packed with features you'll never use, Carrd sticks to the essentials: text, images, forms, embeds, buttons, all cleanly designed, super customizable. The free version gives you one site with basic features, but for a few bucks a year, you can unlock Pro, which adds custom domains, forms, analytics, more elements, and the ability to make multiple sites. It's honestly one of the best values out there for simple web presence. Now, what it's not great for is complex stuff. If you're building a blog or store or need databases or advanced functionality, Carrd isn't for that. It's made for fast, focused, single-page sites. So who's it for? Carrd is perfect for personal bios, link in bio pages, resumes, portfolios, startup waitlists, anything that needs to look good and load fast. If you want quick and easy without all the fluff, it nails that. Clean, fast, affordable. Carrd does one thing, and it does it well.